Meaning of ill-gotten.
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 Ill-gotten. The term ill-gotten refers to something that has been obtained through dishonest or illegal means. It can refer to money, property, or other possessions. When someone acquires something through ill-gotten means, they are essentially obtaining it by breaking the law or by engaging in unethical behavior. This type of behavior can have serious consequences, and those who engage in it may ultimately be punished. Additionally, ill-gotten gains often cannot be enjoyed without guilt or fear of retribution, as the source of the wealth is tainted and carries a negative stigma.